welcome to another episode of Do It on a Unicycle. In the last episode, I solved a Rubik's Cube on a unicycle. This time, I'm going to do the same thing, only supersized. This unicycle looks a little small, doesn't it? Let's make it bigger. That's what I'm talking about. Now this Rubik's Cube, it looks a little small. Let's make it bigger. Wait, that's no good. That's smaller. Let's try that again. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's do this. Alright, let's mix this thing up. There we go, nice mixed up cube. Alright, alright. Let's put this here. Let's get to it. One, and go. Bottom two layers finally. Here we go. Last step.
Yay! Solved!
Rubik's Cube solved! Yeah. Whew. Well, that was much more difficult than I expected. But I hope you enjoyed this supersized episode of Do It on a Unicycle. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.